Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look for you guys today. So I will be showing you guys how I achieved this soft, simple glitter eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved it, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything into place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. And this is probably one of my favorite palettes. I love all the neutral shades. So I'm going to be creating a look using this palette today. And the first shade that I'm going to be going into is called Secret. And I'm just going to be picking that up with a big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be buffing that into my crease. Really focusing this on the outer corner and then just doing circular motions inward. Next, I'm going into my angled brush and I'm going into the shade Tease, and I'm just going to be applying this also to my outer crease and just focusing this mostly on that outer corner, not really bringing it all the way into the inner half of my crease. Next, I'm going into my small tapered brush and I'm mixing Tease with our first transition color, and I'm just going in left right motions over top of that line to diffuse it and give us a nice gradient. And then I went back into my first transition color and just hit that upper crease just to kind of blend those shades in the upper crease out. Next, I'm going into this liquid shadow by Morphe, and this is in the shade Popin, and I absolutely love the Morphe liquid shadows. If you haven't checked them out yet, go ahead and do so. I highly recommend them. You don't even have to use glitter glue. They're super pigmented. So I'm just pressing this all over my lid, and a lot of you guys have been asking for a tutorial without a cut crease. So here you go. This one's for you. And I'm just, like I said, patting this in place, and it's beautiful like this if I would have just left it, but I felt like adding a glitter over top of it. So I just went in with my NYX glitter glue and just pressed that over top of this, and then I went into my Venus glitter by Shop Violet Voss, and I'm just pressing that over top of that liquid shadow. So to blend out that outer corner, I just really packed this big fluffy brush with our transition color, and I'm just kind of patting it over top of the glitter. You don't really want to do swiping motions because then you'll take a lot of the glitter off, so that's why I did packing motions. And then I'm going into this liner. This is by Urban Decay in the shade Double Life. This is my favorite liner at the moment. So I just drew a wing with that eyeliner pencil and then removed my tape. And then I'm just applying some concealer underneath my eye and then applying some translucent powder over top. All of the products will be listed down below in the description box. For lashes today, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Barbados lashes, and then I'm going into that Double Life liner by Urban Decay once again in my waterline, and then I'm just going into our first transition color and just applying that to my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and just coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm applying my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight. And this is the finished look right here. Super simple, super quick. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to support our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!